Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see who shared my post on Facebook. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook application, and then at the bottom right you need to click on the menu button right up here. Then at the top right corner you need to click on the settings icon. Then here you need to scroll down and find notifications option, here it is. Then in this list of options you need to find more activity about you, here it is. And then in this interface you need to enable all these options. So actually make sure you enabled allow notifications on Facebook, push, email and SMS. So after that you can go to your notifications option at the bottom right corner, here it is. And then here you will see all the people who shared your post and who interacted with your Facebook account. And that's all, and that's how to see who shared my post on Facebook. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.